How can intersectionality be incorporated into quantitative social inequality analysis? How can intersectionality be incorporated into quantitative social inequality analysis? This question is essential for understanding how various social categories shape people's experiences. Intersectionality looks at how factors like race, gender, and class interact to create unique experiences of privilege and oppression. It is not enough to analyze these categories separately. We must consider how they work together. To incorporate intersectionality into quantitative analysis, we start with data collection. It is vital to gather detailed demographic information that captures multiple social categories. This includes race, gender, socioeconomic status, and ethnicity. Instead of treating these categories as separate, we can create variables that representing their intersections. For example, we can categorize individuals as Black women or low-income Indigenous women to reflect their combined identities. Next, we need to think about our analytic strategies. Using interaction terms and regression models allows us to see how the impact of one social category depends on another. For instance, we can examine how the effects of gender on income differ based on race. Multilevel modeling is another useful tool. It connects individual-level data with broader social structures, helping us understand how intersectional identities relate to systemic inequalities. We can also use classification and clustering methods. These techniques help identify groups with shared intersectional characteristics. By analyzing their social outcomes collectively, we gain a clearer picture of how different identities affect experiences. Newer quantitative methods, like multivariate intersectional analysis, can handle multiple intersecting categories simultaneously, providing richer data. Interpreting the results is just as important. We should focus on how intersecting identities create unique patterns of advantage or disadvantage. It is crucial to recognize that individuals can experience both privilege and oppression depending on context. Intersectional effects may vary across different settings and over time. Reflexivity is another key aspect. Researchers must be aware of their own social positions and biases when designing studies and interpreting data. This awareness ensures that our analysis does not reinforce stereotypes or overlook marginalized voices. Situating our quantitative findings within broader anthropological knowledge of cultural and social contexts can provide deeper explanations of observed inequalities. In practical terms, quantitative intersectional analysis can be applied to various areas. It can help us study educational attainment, health disparities, labor market outcomes, and social mobility. By revealing how intersecting social factors influence these domains, we can better understand the complexities of lived experiences in diverse populations. Incorporating intersectionality into quantitative social inequality analysis requires careful data collection, sophisticated analytic methods, thoughtful interpretation, and reflexivity about the research process. This approach aligns with Anthropology's commitment to understanding human diversity and social complexity in context.